How to hide online status on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually hide your online status on WhatsApp. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. The very first thing you want to make sure is to update the WhatsApp app to the latest version, because WhatsApp recently updated a feature where you can actually update and then hide your online status on WhatsApp. So to do that, first of all, after updating the WhatsApp app, just open it up and then make sure to log into your account. Then all you have to do is just tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to simply go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, you'll come to this page over here. Once you come to this page, go to the option called privacy, and once you come to privacy, all you have to do is, if you look at the very top, you can see last seen and online. So previously WhatsApp only had the option to hide our last seen and not our online status, but recently they have updated this feature. So that's fortunately for us. We can just go ahead and tap on it, and first of all you can select who can see my last seen, set this to nobody. And when you set your last seen to nobody, you have the option to who can see when I'm online. So when you set this is same as last seen, because last seen is set to nobody, who can see when I'm online will also be set to nobody automatically. Because under nobody you can see we only have two options, which is just set to everyone or set to same as last seen. So basically if you set it to nobody in your last seen, you can select online status as last seen, and that will be set as nobody. And that's all it takes to hide online status on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.